welcome back to my mommy's channel, and today we will be doing a fall fashion try-on haul featuring me, Chloe Alexis Hardiman, and Walmart, Target, and JCPenney. Before we get into the video, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Khloe'z with the Z _Kloset with an S. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment down below. Please tell her to get my own YouTube channel. And now let's get into the video. First outfit is from Walmart. This outfit is showing how you can wear shorts in the fall. I know you're wondering why I have on two different shoes. If you want to keep it street style, you can wear your boot. And if you want to keep it dressy and stylish, you can wear your little flats. The bag is also from Walmart. You can carry the bag by its handles, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag. Number 2. Now this complete outfit right here is from Walmart, including my socks. You can style it with the jacket on or off. Let me step back so you guys can actually see. Let me show you how it looks when it's off. And I'm getting my Kim K on. You can wear a different shoe to give it more style, like flat with the socks. For a more laid back look, you can wear your Vans. If you don't have Vans, you can wear whatever tennis shoe you want because it's your style. Number 3, let me step back so you can actually see everything. This outfit is from Target. I'm showing you how you could be casual with the tennis shoe or dressy with the flat. Because it's the fall, it may be cold during the morning, so you will probably want to keep your denim shirt on. As you go through the day, it might get warmer and you might want to take it off, and you may want to wrap it around your waist. Look number 4. Let me step back a little. The whole look is from JCPenney. This was a set. The sweater, the necklace, the shirt, and the pants came together in a set. My shoes are from JCPenney too. It's finally outfit number 5. This is a casual look. Let me step back so you guys can see. This entire look is from Walmart, including the shoes. It is a sweatsuit. It says high fives and good vibes on the jacket and the pants. If it's cold, you can wear a jacket, and if it starts to get warm, you can take it off. And boom, a matching shirt. High fives and good vibes. I finally come to the end of the fall fashion try-on haul. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment, share with family and friends, and let my mom know I need to have my own YouTube channel. Oh wait, stay poppin' YouTube.